Ooh, lovely 90s Ottawa Senator jersey. Holy hammer. Fuck, this is sick. This is a really good one. Holy shit, this is one of those like fucking, I don't even know. This is a sick jersey. It's 20 bones, which is low-key taxing, but this is a sick one. Fuck, I have to get it. Little fucking 90s Penguins piece. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bro, this day is getting better and better. Wow, this one is a fucking banger. Oh, fuck. Rodale? Damn. Bro, I know this hoodie. This is fucked. Little Travis Scott Rodale hoodie. Holy fuck. This, bro. This definitely goes for a bit. Ooh, this is so clean. Damn. Got the Rossi on the back too, bro. This is a super sick Italy jersey. Holy fuck. So I was kind of just walking past the women's section and I just found these insane Fubu jorts. Made in USA too. These are women's casual shorts, 24 plus. Bro, these are fucking insane. Oh shit. Little 90s Raptors bag. Fuck, this is so good. Oh my god, this is so fucking sick. Ooh. Orange County. Crazy one. Fade on this is fucking insane. Fire. Ooh. 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 Little Ecuador piece, bro. This is fucking crazy. I don't think this is 90s. It's definitely like early 2000s maybe, but this is a sick one. Fuck, fire, bro. For $5 too, definitely got in this. Fuck yeah. Pass. Ooh. Molson slow pitch. This is sick. What the fuck is this? Provincial qualifiers. What the fuck? There's another one too. Oh, this one's from 94. These ones are fucking crazy. What the hell are these? Oh, hello. Ooh, little Blue Jays piece. But for $13 or $12 is fucking insane. Bro, this is such a good one too. Why do they have to tax? Like actually, why do they have to tax? Fuck you. Fuck you. I'll probably buy it too. That's the worst part. Marina tag, made in USA, Black Haws. Ooh, that back kit is fucking sick. I love alcohol pieces. This is crazy. Definitely got this one. I'll finish the day off with a little pair of Just Dawn 1996 Lakers pants. These are fucking fire. Super sick pair. Lovely. Oh, banger. 40 bones is a bit steep, but fucking banger, bro. What the fuck? Hell yeah. خوردم آره دیر یا رفتم خونه غذا خوردم اومدم دوباره خیلی دور نیستم. Little Cardinals center swoosh. Bro, this is fucking clean. Early 2000s. Now we fucking love that shit. We love that shit, boy. Tech fleece. Lovely. Oh, Y2K top. That's just fucking sick. Ooh, scary. Ooh, Spain. Fuck yeah, dude. We love a Spain jersey. Yeah. Bro, this is a sick one. I've never seen this one before. What the fuck? Truies. Yeah, no thanks. Fuck that. Saying this is fake ass John Morant jersey. And $30 for this stupid shit. Polo. Made in Hong Kong. It's probably like a little 90s piece. Yeah, this is sick. Yeah, this is a good one.